What's up guys, it's Kyle with Vulcan Bikes, and today we're going to be going through the assembly of the Lil G.
Now we're going to remove the zip ties using a cutting device, being cautious of any wires in the paint. Remove the keys, which are located on the handlebars. Now using those keys, we'll remove the battery and set it aside to charge while we assemble. Once the battery is fully charged, the light will turn green. Remove the steering stem faceplate with an Allen wrench. Place the handlebar onto the head tube with the textured lines sitting in the middle of the handlebar face. Reattach the faceplate and fasten the bolts in a crisscross pattern, alternating torque evenly amongst the 4 screws. Place the seat on the bike, guiding the bolts through the frame. Hand fasten the hardware beneath the seat before using a wrench. For the tail light, connect the plug with the corresponding arrows and fasten the bolts with the 8mm nuts. Lightly loosen the headlight arms and align them parallel with the forks. Insert the headlight and fasten the bolts on each side. Connect the surrounding wires by aligning the arrows. Don't forget to retighten the headlight arms. Remove the fork guard and brake protectors. Guide the front wheel into the forks, making sure that the brake rotor sits between the brake pads. Insert the axis bolt through the wheel, making sure that there is a nut and spring on the opposing side. Screw and fasten. Locate the pedal imprinted R. This pedal tightens by rotating clockwise. First thread the pedals by hand and then fasten with a 15mm pedal wrench. Repeat the same steps with the pedal labeled L for left. This pedal has a reverse thread and tightens by spinning counterclockwise. Remove the fastening bolt for the fender. Guide the fender between the forks and tighten the front fender stick. Fasten the support arms to the lower forks. Return the bike to the upright position and reinsert the battery.
There you have it folks, there's the assembly of the Vulcan Lil G.